How to fix LG monitor no audio or no sound. Is your LG monitor showing video but no sound? Let's walk through the steps to fix it. So not all LG monitors have built-in speakers. If yours does not, you'll need external speakers or headphones connected to your PC or the monitor's audio output. Make sure you're using HDMI DisplayPort or USB-C, VGA, and DVI cables. Don't carry audio. Next is to set LG monitor as default playback device. So on your Windows device, go ahead and right click on the speaker icon and then in here select sound settings. And then from here, go ahead and select your LG monitor as the output device. Another thing you can do is to adjust your monitor volume. So open your monitor's on-screen menu and check the volume. Make sure it's not muted or set too low. Lastly, you can update drivers. So update your graphics card drivers and sound drivers. These control HDMI and DisplayPort audio. And that is how to fix LG monitor no audio or no sound.